Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and for those of you that are worried because you have a system with a 13th or 14th generation Intel CPU, a lot of them have instabilities and actually break down due to wrong control voltages. First of all, the Intel has decided that the warranties on the 13th and the 14th generation CPUs will be extended by 2 more years. So that's good news for a free replacement if something happens. The other thing is manufacturers are starting to issue BIOS updates. The first ones to do so is Asus and MSI. They have started to send out BIOS updates available on their website or through Windows Update. In some cases, it depends on how the PC gets its updates for BIOS. This fixes the problems by making sure that the voltages never, change to a point where it could overheat or break down your Intel CPU. And apparently makes also the performance a lot better on these generation 13, 14 generation Intel processors. So that means if you have purchased and is using a 13th or 14th generation Intel processor in your computers, you should be checking out the manufacturer's website for BIOS updates that will possibly come out, as this is how all of it is going to be fixed. By updating the code to make sure that the CPU behaves in a way that is fine. If your CPU has started degrading or having issues, you definitely should contact either the manufacturer of your computer or Intel and check out how it works for the replacement of the processor, as this is something that, or the machine, depending on how it was built, because with 2 more years added to the CPU warranty, that means that now a lot of machines probably could get a replacement CPU for free. So hopefully things are going to get better, as this is a huge problem for Intel, and I've had a lot of comments and a lot of feedback here on the channel with a lot of users that were a little worried, and some already having issues with their own computers that have possibly a flawed CPU. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.